rate of approach of new form of linked to the life cycles. Okay, so approaches are generally linked. The approaches of evolution linked. The new approaches are linked to the life cycles of the organisms. Okay, this process of evolution might be depends upon the life cycles of organisms. Every organism is having specific life cycle. Suppose example, let us take the microbes. Under favorable conditions, microbes multiplies into crores of microbes. Their number gradually increases within less time of period. Hence, it is clearly said that it is linked to the life cycles of specific organisms. After that, if you carefully see, Lamarck, a great scientist, who is that? Lamarck. Okay, who is Lamarck? Lamarck is a great scientist who coined the term biology. Apart from that, in evolution, he said that acquired characters of inheritance. Acquired characters of inheritance. If you take the characters can be inherited from the parent generation to offsprings. Okay. If you take the acquired characters, what are they? Acquired characters or learned characters can be inherited. Suppose here long neck in giraffe, long neck in a giraffe, which during the course of forays in the leaves and small leaflets from the large or long trees, while it was stretching his neck, the length and vertebral bones in the neck gets elongated and transforms into a long necked animal called a giraffe. Understood everyone? Next, after that, if you take the Charles Robert Darwin, Darwin was very familiar with natural selection. Okay, so he went to Galapagos Islands with the help of his voyager ship called HMS Beagle and visited Galapagos Islands, okay, of the Pacific, Galapagos Islands of the Pacific Basin, and studied the beaks of different birds, and he was wondered by looking at them because of different structures. As per the Darwin, nature only select what kind of living organisms should persist, and nature only gives a chance to survive them. Okay, so existing living forms shares some similarities. Existing living organism shares some of the similarities in the present generation. Okay, so these similarities are common for every species, and it varies from species to species. Okay, the genotype history of Earth contains biological history of Earth. Okay, if you take the genotype of the specific living organisms, this genotype is common for every group of species. Okay, changing in this genotype definitely causes formation of a new species. Okay, and here the formation of the evolution or formation of new species also affected by availability of the resources. Availability of the resources like food, shelter or habitat, etc. Understood everyone? And limited resources. Nature keeps control on population. Nature only having control on the population. Understood everyone? This is for biological evolution. Another classical example is there for biological evolution. If you carefully see, here a scientist called Bernard Kettlewell, okay, In the urban area, Birmingham Palace, in the urban area, as you know that because of urbanization there is a lot of smog. This smog generally attaches to the large trees and gives a black color background. Now, he took grey color and white color marks, grey color and white color marks. Okay, he left in the urban areas. In the urban areas, okay, white color marks, if you take the white color marks, their population was decreased because white color marks, they are easily visible to the predators under the black color bark or black color trunk of the tree. Whereas grey color, because of their body variation called grey color, they hide themselves in the black color trunk and protected themselves from the predators. Here, the nature given color gives a scope for surviving the grey color moths. In the similar manner, if you see carefully, okay, he took the white color and grey color moths, he went to, okay, the rural areas. In the rural areas, he left all these grey color and white color moths. But in the rural areas, pollution was very less, black color smog is very less, hence white color tree trunks are common. Okay, the white color tree trunks gives a selection to the white color moths to protect themselves from the predators. So white color moths are survived in in the rural areas because of grey color appearance on the black color white color bark. The grey color moths are clearly easily visible to the predators and eaten by them. Hence, grey color moths and their population was decreased. Okay, so white color moths have a natural selection in rural area. Grey color moths have a natural selection for survival in the urban area. This is one more classical example for evolution conducted by Leonard Kettlewell. Okay. After this, Darwin postulates. As per the Darwin saying that survival of the fittest. What he was saying about survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. What do you mean by that? Organism which is fitted well, which have strong characters, right? They can be survived in the nature. Which have less characters and which were not fitted well, they can't survive in the specific habitat. Okay, and apart from that, variations. Okay, variations are also gives a lot of chance to survive in the nature. These variations are useful variations are there, harmful variations are there, that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.